Yes, children, welcome back. In the last slide, we discussed about the seals. Okay, the square or rectangular seals made with clay or metal also. Okay, this seal used by that people in those days as a coin or money, or that even we may assume that as a book also, and it's a trade. The traders can use that for their business purpose and whatever, because we don't know, no one able to read that language. Okay, because that language practiced before 4000 years, that was before 4000 years. Okay, 4700 years. So no one now don't know to read the script, pictographical letters. So we can't know what purpose they used it. Maybe as a money, historians believed maybe as money or books. Okay, so we don't know. For maybe the money purpose. Okay, yes. Now you listen. What is this? It's looking like toys. Very good. Looking like toys. Okay. What material the toys was made? What material? That toys were made with clay or mud. Okay, that type of toys are called terracotta toys. Okay, many terracotta toys have been found, and children must have played with this. Yes, of course, probably children used this for the playing purpose. Yes, children, you ask your grandparents what toys they used to play. Okay, you asked your parents and your grandparents what type of toys they used for playing. Here, these people, that is the Harappan people, before 4700 years itself, the children, the kids played with the terracotta toys. What is called terracotta? Terracotta means made by mud or clay. Okay, the things made with mud or clay. Okay, children, do you understand? Then now you listen. A large amount of pottery has been found at various Harappan sites along with toys. Already we saw that toys, okay, terracotta toys. The pottery also terracotta only, because that also made with mud and clay, and some parts made in stone and metals also. Okay, yes, here they are saying the beautiful drawings are there in the pottery. Okay, yes, a large amount of pottery has been found at various Harappan sites along with toys and sculptures made out of clay, stones and metals. The Harappan pottery was red in color with designs in black. Yes, children, you think that part is in the red color, but the designs on the part is black in color. Okay, listen. The terracotta pottery found here was the fine quality and probably was used as storage jars and utensils for cooking and eating. The Harappan pottery was red in color with designs in black. The size of the post ranged from the size of a thumb to a large burial pots. Evidences of tie cards, whistles and marbles have also been found, which may have been used as toys as well as used for the cooking and storing purpose. What they are saying, even they are finding whistles, marbles have also been found, which may the kids used as the toys. The parts have in red color and the designs in the black color. Okay, children? Yes. Then the different ornaments, that's important. Yes, the different ornaments found in this areas, the Harappans found in these sites suggest that people of the Harappan civilization were fond of jewelry. Yes, no, children, now we also very fond of jewels. Everyone like the jewels, whether it is gold or other metals, but we all are like the jewels. Okay, so here this says the different ornaments found in these sites suggest that people of the Harappan civilization were fond of jewelry. Jewels made of different materials such as gold, silver, beads, seashells and terracotta, that means mud. Terracotta also, okay, tells us about the different types of people in the Harappan sites. What here they are saying? How these tells about the people status? Yes, because believed that gold and silver are highly, that is precious metal. Maybe the rich people used the gold and silver ornaments. Others, the common people used the beads, ornaments, and the seashells also used the places near that Arabian Seas. They also used seashells, and terracotta jewels also used by the people. This says there is the classifications among the people who used that. Okay, because everyone cannot use the, unable to use the gold and the silver ornaments. Okay, so this tells about the different types of people in the Harappan cities. Okay, whereas the bead and terracotta ornaments must have been worn by the common people. Many statues, that also, that another we will see, many statues and tools made from metals like bronze and copper have been discovered, that proving that the people of this civilization knew the art of mixing metal. This art of mixing metal is called metal casting. Okay, so within a single metal we can't do some new things. Okay, so we want to mix some metal with one metal. Okay, for example, ornaments we can't make only with the gold, so we should add the little level of copper also. Yes children, with the gold we should add some level ratio, that is the ratio to make the jewel. So in the pure form of gold we can't make the jewels, so we want to add the copper with the gold, then only able to make the jewels. Okay, so here that is called metal casting. Okay, so here the people in the Harappan civilization, they knew the method of mixing metal. Okay, why, how means the archaeologists and historians, metallurgists says these they found the statues, metal statues, they are bronze and copper. Okay, yes, that mixing of metals, they used the mixing of metals to make the statues. Okay children, so they believed, we believed that people in the Harappan civilization knew the art of mixing metal. That art of mixing metal is called metal casting. Okay children, yes, here you say the statues of figures of men and women forms suggest that the people dressings also. See the first pictures, they use some different fine and tiny flooring designs in the cloth. Okay, so this shows how they were like the craft. Okay, this how craft and how they were skilled craft persons. Okay children, yes, let's revise before a small recap. Wait a minute. The previous didn't come. Okay, we will revise with the oral. The rulers sent people to distant lands. For what purpose? To bring the raw materials, gold and silvers. Define terracotta, that things made with mud or clay. Dash and dash were used to make tools, weapons and vessels. Yes, they used They used clay and they used the metals also. The Harappan seals were made up of clay and metals. Okay children, homework for you, the last two questions. Okay, what is faience and who is a specialist? These two you want to read in your book and give the answer to me. Okay children, yes, why? Yes, a small recap we will give. Yes. The lifestyle of the Harappan city, the people were probably busy with the planning of their city. Okay, the rulers as well as the people were busy because they want to plan for their city. Then gold and silver, these two things the people brought from the outside of their area. So distant lands, the rulers send the people to the distant land, or the people were traveled to distant lands and returned with raw materials and also stories. Then there were men and women, craft persons. They made all kinds of things either in their homes or in special workshops. This shows their craft knowledge. The people give importance, that important in the civilization gives for the craft work. Okay, then a large number of seals have been discovered. What you are saying, we know about the Harappan civilization from various sources of information such as the structures and buildings, the crafts such as terracotta parts, ornaments and statues, as well as the seals. Okay, with the rectangular or square seals. These seals were used, the large number of terracotta seals were used by the people in those sites. Stalactite have been discovered at various Harappan sites. Most of these carry short inscriptions, help us to know that people of this civilization knew how to read and write. Okay, and we do know what they written in the seals because this is a pictographical language or letters used by that people. Then terracotta toys have been found. Terracotta means that was made in mud or clay. Okay, that baked. Okay, the terracotta toys have been found and children must have played with these toys. Okay, then a large number of pottery also have been found in that area. And what's special in that pottery means the potteries are in red in color and the designs on the upper surfaces black. Okay, so imagine in a red color part the designs are drawn in a black color. Okay, so how they give importance for the crafts and minute drawings. Okay, that parts and vessels are used to make stone, clay and metals also. Jewels made of different materials such as gold, like as the people of the Harappan civilization also fond of jewelries. Jewels made out of gold, silver, beads, even the seashells and terracotta also. This tells the status of the people, okay, who used these things. Then statues. With the statues we know the people know the art of mixing metal. This art of mixing metal is called metal casting. The last two questions, what is faience and who is a specialist? That two questions is homework for you. Go through your book and give the answer to me. These questions are practice questions. Kindly practice in your CW. It will help for you at the time of examination. Yes children, thank you so much. Take care. Bye dears.